Hello and welcome to the demonstration for the settlement, discovery and instantiation of Federated Learning Services for the SEDIMARK platform. This validation scenario explores step-by-step the process of setting up and using the Federated Learning Services exchanged through the SEDIMARK marketplace. The SEDIMARK ecosystem enables users to act either as clients or providers for federated learning. In the high-level architecture depiction of the SEDIMARK toolbox interaction, we present highlighted with red the communication between the Orchestrator UI front-end application and the Federated Learning Services. Now we will show a client-side configuration scenario for the DefLight service inside Orchestrator UI. This process will allow us to train an AI model using our configuration parameters. The process starts with the selection of the Federated Learning interaction in the main menu of the Orchestrator UI. Next, a pop-up window displays the two available Federate Learning options, from which we are going to select DefLight. We can either select manual configuration or use a configuration file. For this demonstration, we are going to use a configuration YAML file containing all required inputs. This DefLight Federated Learning Service is part of an offering published on the SEDIMARK marketplace, and the steps required to obtain such offering are described in detail in the fourth demonstrative scenario discovery and retrieval of data. For more information, please refer to the discovery and retrieval of data demonstrative scenario. After the file is uploaded and the configuration procedure is completed, a new workflow is loaded into the Orchestrator interface. Here the user have the options to select a type of model to train and modify or save the pipeline. Furthermore, after the pipeline is saved, we switch to the Mage AI to visualize the newly created pipeline, which is associated to our Orchestrator UI Federated Learning workflow. The final step involves starting the federated learning process and training the AI model using the parameters provided in the configuration of the service. The Orchestrator UI offers the option to visualize the training status and optimization performance through various epochs run. In our case, the training follows the inference accuracy score. Next, we are going to show the setup process for the Federated Learning Service. The process follows a similar list of steps as the DefLight service, involving the following steps. 1. Configuration of the service and AI model training parameters either manually by completing the form or automatic by providing the YAML file specific to Flevedon. 2. Selection of an AI model to train or to fine-tune in the Flevedon Federated Learning process. 3. Configuration of the Orchestrator workflow which executes the Federated Learning process. And 4. Execution and storage of the resulted model to MLflow. Thank you for your attention. This concludes our demonstration for the SEDIMARK platform on settlement, discovery and instantiation of Federated Learning Services.